Hello friends, welcome back. I am Honey, this channel's host and your friend, and today's video is on this look that I have created. So today's video will be on full face of Charlotte Tilbury. Before applying any products, I am just cleaning my face. First product, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream 7 ml that I got free, and let's apply. Your skin will feel deeply nourished and glowing as well as softer and smoother. This makes it perfect base for your makeup as the skin looks plumper, dewier, firmer and healthier. This magic cream does provide a glow, but I don't feel it is a necessary. Second product is Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. This cream is brightening under eyes, smooth, hydrates and brightens the look of the delicate skin around the eyes, and it has retinol. It does claim to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Now the third product is Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Big Name, and the shades I have is 4 and 2. So the first swatch is 4, which is medium, and the second is for fair. It claims to work like a beauty filter, blurs fine lines, pores, brighten and moisturize skin, leaving a radiant finish, which you can see clearly. This is how the shade 4 medium looks on my skin. Now let's apply shade 2, which is fair. My pores almost look airbrushed as it uses smoothing airbrush polymer to give your skin a poreless, flawless looking finish. Now this is the fourth product that I am showing. It is not for applying as it is the merchandise of Charlotte Tilbury hand mirror. Now the fifth product is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation which is thick. It claims to look natural looking, flawless and minimal effort foundation. And in my experience you need just a little. I took a whole lot of product for my face. But in my experience, I think it looks better on the skin the longer you wear it, because it does oxidize and then it darkens a little. So in my opinion, I would suggest that you get a lighter shade because it does oxidize and gets darker. Now because this is a full coverage foundation, this is where the sixth product, which is Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer, which is in the shade 3 Tan. So if you are in the market for a cream bronzer that's easy to blend without being overly emollient or dewy, you will love this natural looking cream formula that lasts all day on the skin. I loved this bronzer. Now here is the seventh product, which is Charlotte Tilbury pinkGasam Beauty Light Wand pinkGasam, which is 12 ml. There are more shades available. pinkGasam is the hot pink color tone, whereas pinkGasam is more orangey. That is why I didn't get that shade. You can overuse it really easy, and I definitely made that mistake when I first tried it out. But dapping little by little from your hand will be perfect. Now let's talk about the eighth product, which is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Compact Powder, which is a microfine finishing powder. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finishing Powder stars nano blurring particle to disguise imperfection without suffocating skin. The blur is completely visible, and now I will complete the full face with this compact, and let me tell you, this is awesome. Ninth product, which is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Bronzer, which is in the shade Tan 3. Just like Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder, which we used earlier, this bronzer also works like that, but this is a bronzer. So the smoothing effect you can see, and it is a filter and flawless. Very easy to blend and yet becomes very smoothing and flawless. It is a pigmented blush, but yet it does not make a patch on the skin. Now this is the 10th product, which is Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop Blush in the shade Love is a Drug. It is a swish and pop blush in which swish the brush around the outer shape and tap off the extra. Run the brush flat on the cheekbones. Then you can apply the pop shade which is in the center. Just tap on it and then apply only on the apples of your cheek. Or else you can apply both the shades together, mix them together and apply it on the apples of your cheek. Even the blush is blurring. This is the 11th product, which is Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in the shade Spotlight. So this is the light wand spotlight which I have been using it for more than 6 months, and I have taken off the sponge from it just because it looks very dirty and the product does not comes off very easily out of that tube. So I took it off, and this is the shade. You can see it is very effortless and yet it looks very beautiful on skin, and it is very long lasting. I showed you the new light wand tube because I keep stocking it because it always go out of stock. This is 12th product, Charlotte Tilbury Beautifying Pillow Talk Face Palette, which is in the shade Fair Medium. I have only used the Pillow Talk highlighter because my skin is already blushed and highlighted. This is the 14th product, which is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And this is Charlotte Tilbury's most famous Matte Revolution long lasting lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. And let me tell you, I was not impressed with this lipstick. Now you know why, because it is a little milky, but I will adjust it with a lip tint. So here my look is complete. Now I'll open my hair and even show you the full look. I hope you like this look. It is so glowy and subtle, yet glamorous.